you guys? Back with another video finally. So today's gonna be kind of a simple day, nothing too crazy, but we do have a few things to do. For one, I do wanna maybe wash the truck. I don't know if I'm gonna do that on camera because I feel like I do that every single video. I'm not gonna do that on camera, but what I am gonna do is probably clean the engine bay up. I haven't cleaned it at all, ever, in the history of the truck. So I'm gonna clean that. I went to go get some degreaser and a little brush to kind of clean up the engine bay. We do have some new center caps for the 20s because, like I had mentioned previously, these are pretty crusty and nasty. These are like legit chrome. So we're gonna be swapping those over. The actual reason for this video, part of it is in this bubble wrap, but we won't get into that until after. And after we install today's part, then there will be one more part before it goes off to paint. Today's gonna be not too much of a crazy video, but that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, so now we're gonna start working on probably Elias's truck because this is probably the easier thing to do right now. Alright, well, and then I have to let the truck cool down because we just got home. You should open that. So, oh yeah, I probably should. Alright, so we're just gonna jump on that. Alright, Elias is taking off his steering wheel he has right now. It's like a chrome and a black one. I feel like the black one's gonna set off the inside nicely. Get it out of the box.
That's for you to read.
There's all the hardware. We don't need that shit. We don't need that kind of negativity in our life. So you're gonna run the wire through there, I think. Yeah. Right there. So far it's looking promising, like it's gonna fit. I hope it fits though.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll fit and not look weird. I'm gonna try to set up the camera and see if we can get it. So we got some good news and not necessarily bad news, but the good news is it does fit and it works. The bad news is that this is chrome and it kind of would look better matte black. So we're gonna go buy some matte black paint right now to paint that and kind of keep the like flat black look going. And then we're gonna put on the new steering wheel. All right, so we're gonna go to Home Depot real quick and buy some paint and then come back and keep working on the cars. All right, so we're back. We went to go buy the paint. We're gonna clean it off and then paint it, let it sit, and then start working on what I was actually gonna start doing. Probably gonna do the handy or the center caps first. I'm gonna try to take it off with the screwdriver because if these break, I don't really care. Because, you know, they're ugly already. And then we'll start working on the next part. And hopefully this bitch goes to paint soon. Alright, so this is what we got set up right now for the painting. I'm gonna paint this real quick. I'm gonna time lapse it. Right now I just laid one coat, super light, just so it could kind of like stick to the cause it's like chrome, so it's gonna take a little bit longer for it to stick, and then let that dry. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys what I got. I've been hiding it, but it's literally gonna be in the description or in the title. So I got the street scene mirrors. I got them for cheap. They do have imperfections that the body shop will fix. I primered them right now. I'm gonna paint them flat black just to kind of match the hood for now till it goes off the paint. I just have to spray the matte black and I'm pretty much done with them. And then I bought replacement glass because the glass on this, the glass that came on this was not the best. So I bought them from Summit Racing for like 20 bucks. In total, these mirrors were probably like 50 bucks and online they're like 300. So I got it for a good deal. Paint them flat black real quick and then we're gonna install Elias's steering wheel finally. Alright, so I put like a thick or a thin layer of, a thin layer of flat black, just so they don't look super weird and all messed up. So I put a thin layer of that. We're gonna put another layer of it, but right now we're gonna put Elias's steering wheel on finally, after what, like we've been trying to do this for like 6 hours.
8 hours.
8 hours, yeah. What Robert said. So we're finally gonna work on his steering wheel. Put the hub on. All we have to do is bolt up the steering wheel and then put this like little cup to kind of make it look pretty. And tighten those up and should be looking way better. How you feel about your new steering wheel? You like it?
Yeah.
You better like it. That shit is expensive.
It was.
Alright, so basically, we figured it out.
Let me see.
The ground is basically the steering wheel itself, and the power comes from the wire that's inside. All we have to do is tighten it up, and Elias has a new steering wheel.
This bitch is tiny.
In my opinion, looks way better than this. But let me know what you guys think, though. Which one do you guys like better? Everybody tell Elias to get the 5.3. We found a donor car.
Hey.
Alright, so, I didn't show you guys the process because you guys were going to cringe very badly. But I literally just ripped them off with screwdrivers because I don't have my jack right now and I don't feel like taking off the wheels. And I'm not going to use them, so here are the new ones. I hope they go in because if not, that sucks. Imagine I destroyed them for no reason.
It's okay, you got this, buddy. Let's cheer him on, guys.
You got it, bro.
Woo!
I don't know. Don't break on. Cause I've been scared. I don't even.
You probably gotta push it in with like a flat. You feel?
I don't know. Cause on my 24s I broke one of them.
Are we doing a time lapse on here? Or are these people just gonna hear us?
You're just gonna hear our dumbasses trying to fix this.
Nah, I'm telling you, it's probably a flat, bro.
No, cause the point is for this to squeeze in and then this, but the only way to do it is from inside the wheel.
So we gotta take off the wheel.
Well, we were supposed to, but I don't feel like it. So I've done it without fucking squeezing the back.
Yeah, that's when you broke it.
As long as it's straight, it should be. Tell me that shit don't look better.
That look hard. That look clean.
Compared to this. So for those of you guys who were like, there's not that much of a difference, there's a fucking huge ass difference. These are crusty as hell. Alright, so, thanks bud. So now I'm just gonna do all 4 of them, and then the mirrors I'm probably gonna do it inside just cause it's dark now. I'm gonna just take out the Yukon and then, why are you flashing the camera?
Wrong way.
Alright, so then I'm gonna put the truck inside so then we can do the mirrors. But yeah, I'm gonna do all 4 real quick, and then after I'll put the mirrors on. So I know this video's been pretty much all over the place and not as straightforward, but from this point on it is, because I'm by myself now. The homies left. So as I mentioned earlier, the glass was really messed up. You can't really tell on camera. I hate that it looks like super flawless because it has like super deep. Like maybe you could see it from like an angle. There's some scratches in there. There is like fingerprints, so it probably doesn't look as bad, but there is like some bad scratches. Oops. Oh damn it. Oops. But there is some bad scratches on it, and it doesn't look good. So I was just looking around online, and I came across replacement mirrors for it for I think 25 bucks from Summit Racing. So the only thing that I noticed different was the new one did not have these like little pins right here. Yeah, did not have like these little pins right here. The middle one. It instead had something off to the side, and then there's a hole that the pin goes into. So the hole literally just goes in between the 2 brackets. Besides that, once you get it lined up, it clips in really easy. And this is how they look right now. I went with flat black because for one, can't go wrong with flat black. Everybody knows that when you get new parts, they come pretty much always black. And then 2, it matches my hood. So until they get painted, which hopefully is pretty soon, this is how it's gonna look. I don't care too much if the truck's different colors because that's part of the process of it getting kind of a remodel, I guess you could say. But it actually did come out really nice, considering that it's just flat black. Could have did better on the edges, but it don't matter too much. Right now I'm gonna take off the mirrors, so I'm gonna record that. Sometimes you win some and you lose some. Today was an L. This video was basically just installing these mirrors, and it turns out that the wiring is completely different for these trucks. So basically, this is the only wire that comes with the mirrors. And my truck has the upgraded, like, I don't know if it's upgraded or, but it has the heated power and the blinker mirror. So the wire that runs from the mirror into here runs straight to the switch panel, and it has no like box to unplug it. So I can't plug in that one, which our power mirror or power windows, it just doesn't have the blinker. So the wiring is completely different. I don't know what to do. If you guys have any ideas of what I could do, or like what I could get off of another year of a truck, I believe those are off of a 99 to 02. I didn't know that they were, but they're off of a 99 to 02. So I don't know if I should order new ones or what I should do. This is kind of a setback because the whole idea was to put that on, put the last thing on, and then try to take it to paint right after. But since I can't put these on, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I might just take it to paint and then wait till I could find some, or I could figure out the wiring. I'm just gonna say fuck it, I'm gonna throw them on. I already went through the trouble of this and painted them and everything, so I'm just gonna throw them on, power mirrors or not. So just give me a second, I'm gonna work on this real quick, and then I'll update you guys again once I'm done. Okay, so I got the mirrors on. This is how it looks. I honestly think it looks way more aggressive. The mirrors do look small, but they look aggressive. I like the new look of it. Of course, they're gonna be painted along with the hood and a few other things, so it'll look way better than what it looks like right now. And I just had to get this on camera. Ooh, that new glass. Ooh, boy. It looks really good. I ran into some issues that I'm gonna figure out tomorrow. Not in this video. I did what I wanted to do in this video, so that's all I got for this video. But let me know what you guys think. How does it look? You guys think it looks better? Do you like my stock ones more? Let me know what you guys think. So I was gonna close out the video, but I didn't show you guys what it looks like during the day. So this is basically the new look of the truck with the smaller mirrors, or the street scene mirrors. I think it looks 100 times better. I actually like how it looks. We're just missing one more part, and it could go off to paint. Before I close out this video, I know you guys have been asking for merch. I see you guys asking for stickers, lanyards, shirts, something. So I'm gonna start off pretty simple. I have these stickers that I'm gonna be dropping. I am gonna throw it on right now on the back of the truck. I'm gonna take off the old one that I had, the Project Low one with the YouTube logo. I'm gonna take that one off, and I'm gonna throw on the new ones. And I want to hear feedback from you guys. Is this something you guys would like? Is this something that you guys wouldn't like? Is this something you guys would buy? I do want to order a good chunk, so at least like 100, so they might go soon. I don't know yet, but I will update you guys on my Instagram once I am for sure gonna drop them. So you guys should definitely go follow me on Instagram. So here are the new stickers. I'm going to put it it off, but I'll put on this one for video purposes. The new stickers. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. If you guys want them in white, silver, or what colors you guys would like to get them in. Also, let me know if you guys like them, if you guys would cop one. Leave a like if you would get one. Just so I know how much to order. I'm gonna order like 100, like I said, so at least hopefully 100 of you guys will buy one and get one. But that's all for this video. I just wanted to include this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.